Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss about International General Certificate of Secondary Education, Cambridge International Examinations, Physics, Paper 1, Multiple Choice Question, 0625/1, October-November session, 2002, time 45. In part 1, I already finished up to 10, question number up to 10. Today we start from 11. It is part 2. Part 2. Part 2 video. In a car engine, energy stored in the fuel is converted into thermal or heat energy and energy of motion, kinetic energy. In which form is the energy stored in the fuel? So inside the fuel there is a chemical energy. So chemical energy. So correct answer is A. Now question number 12. The diagram shows a simple mercury barometer. If the atmospheric pressure increases, what happens to the level X and Y? Level Y remains same. Level Y. Oh, sorry. Level Y goes down and level X increases. Up, goes up, goes up. So correct answer is C. Question number 13. Uh, four flower vases have circular bases. They are filled with water so that they all have the same weight. Which vases exert a greater pressure on its base? Pressure, we know pressure equals to force divided by area. Here, weight is the force, so weight divided by area. So weight of the water have the same. So W is same for all. The surface area, the vases which have less surface area will exert greatest pressure. So correct answer is C, because it has less pressure, less surface area and greatest pressure. It will exert a greatest pressure. Some gas in a sealed plastic bag is placed in a refrigerator to cool down. How does the gas molecules behave when this happens? They move slowly and are closer together, because we know uh, when temperature falls, then kinetic energy of the molecules decreases. So they move more slowly and intermolecular attraction force increases. So they come more closer. So correct answer is C. Question number 15. A measured mass of gas is placed in a circular in a cylinder at atmospheric pressure, is then slowly compressed. If the temperature of the gas does not change, what happens to the pressure of the gas? Slowly compress. Pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. Here volume decreases, so pressure increases. So it increases. According to the Boyle's law, at constant temperature for a fixed mass of gas, pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. So according to the Boyle's law, at constant temperature, pressure is directly inversely proportional to the volume. So correct answer is D. A mercury in glass thermometer is to be used to measure the temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Why mercury is suitable? Because mercury expands when heated. So mercury is suitable because it expands uniformly with temperature. That's why. A block of ice is heated at a constant rate. Eventually, the melted ice boils. The graph shows how the temperature changes with time. How many minutes did it take to melt all the ice? Up to this time. So about 4 minutes. Answer is 4 minutes. It is called latent heat of fusion. Latent heat. So here it is latent times. The time required to change the state. Question number 18. How does thermal energy, heat energy, travel through the vacuum between the earth and the sun? Inside the vacuum, the process by which thermal energy transfer from one place to another place by radiation. It is an electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic wave, infrared wave. So correct answer is C here. Question number 19. Two plastic cups two plastic cups are placed one side the other. Hot water is poured into the inner cup and the lid is put on the top shown. Which statement is correct? Heat loss by radiation is prevented by small air gap. No heat passes through the side of either cup. The bench is heated by the convection from the by convection. So the lid is used to reduce the heat loss by the convection. This one is the correct option. Question number 20. Yeah, waves are sent along two long spring X and Y. Side to side movement. Direction of the wave is horizontal, and particle movement of the particle is ups and down. And here a second spring Y, to and fro movement of the particle, direction of the wave horizontal. So how should the wave moves in X and Y? X is transverse wave and Y is longitudinal wave. So if the direction of vibration of the medium particles is perpendicular or 90-degree to the direction of propagation, here direction of propagation of the wave, that means direction of the movement of the wave is horizontal and the direction of the vibration of the medium particle is up and down. So here angle between them is 90 degree. That's why it is called transverse wave. Transverse wave. Transverse wave. On the other hand, if the direction of vibration of the medium particle is uh, same direction with the direction of propagation of the wave, that means the angle between is 0 degree or parallel or anti-parallel, then it is called longitudinal wave. So this one is the example of longitudinal wave. So if the direction of propagation of the wave is perpendicular or 90 degree to the direction of vibration of the molecules or medium particle, then it is called transverse wave. On the other hand, if the direction of propagation of the wave is parallel or anti-parallel or same direction with the direction of vibration of the medium particle, then it is called longitudinal wave.